A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, today we will start the system of units. In a previous lecture we have studied about the units and the types of the units, and in this lecture we will continue our system of units. Now our topic is system of units. Do you remember that in a previous lecture we have done fundamental units, derived units and supplementary units. आपको याद होगा कि हमने यूनिट्स तीन टाइप्स के पढ़े थे. फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स जिसको हम बेस यूनिट भी कहते हैं, derived यूनिट्स से, और सप्लीमेंट्री यूनिट्स. अगर इन सब यूनिट्स को मिला दिया जाए, यानी फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स, derived यूनिट्स और सप्लीमेंट्री यूनिट्स को, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स कहते हैं. सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट क्या है? the set of all fundamental derived and supplementary units is called a system of units. डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट के हाल से बहुत से सिस्टम्स यूज हुए, लेकिन जो मेजर सिस्टम जो यूज हुए हैं उसमें से हम जो आज डिस्कस करेंगे वो हम चार सिस्टम डिस्कस करेंगे. नंबर 1, CGS सिस्टम. CGS सिस्टम. सेकंड आपके पास है FPS सिस्टम. FPS सिस्टम. थर्ड आपके पास है MKS सिस्टम. और फोर्थ आपके पास है सिस्टम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स. सिस्टम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स. So the system of units, what is the system of units? The set of all the fundamental, derived and supplementary units is called a system of units. There are the four system of units we are going to describe. There are the many system of the units being adopted in the world, but we are discussing CGS system, FPS system, MKS system and SI system of the international units. So dear students, now first we will discuss about the CGS system. Now what is the first? That one is CGS system. That C stands for centimeter and its abbreviation is cm, and this one is the unit of the length. So this G stands for gram and its abbreviation is G, and this one is the unit of mass. And this S stands for second, its abbreviation is S, and this one is the unit of time. Dear students, पुराने ज़माने में चार फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को अहमियत दी जाती थी इन सिस्टम्स बनाने में. नंबर 1 लेंथ, नंबर 2 मास, नंबर 3 टाइम, and number 4, that one is force. क्लासिकल फिजिक्स में इन चार फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को कंसीडर किया जाता था किसी भी सिस्टम को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के हाल से. तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इसमें आपको इन चार में से 3 क्वांटिटीज आपको यहां पे मिल रही है, लेंथ, मास इन द टाइम. सो दीज आर द 3 फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज, while the force in CGS system is a derived quantity. अब अगर इसको हम डिफाइन करें, CGS system, dear students, that was introduced in French government, that's why it's also known as the French system. French system. एक और बात, the scientist that introduced this system, his name was Gauss, that's why it's also known as the Gaussian system. Gaussian system. In this system, length, mass and time are fundamental quantities, their units are in this system are centimeter, gram and second respectively. Force is a derived quantity in this system and its unit is dyne. So dear students, you know that formula for the force F is equal to ma. So the unit of the mass in this system is gram and the unit of the acceleration is centimeter per second square. So collectively gram centimeter per second square is known as dyne. So what is the dyne? When the force is applied on a body of the 1 gram mass and 1 centimeter per second square acceleration is being produced, then the amount of the force in the system is known as the dyne. So that one is CGS system. एक बार मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, CGS system is also known as the French system or the Gaussian system. In this system, the length, mass and the time are the fundamental quantities and their units are centimeter, gram and second respectively. Force is a derived quantity in this system, its unit is dyne and the one dyne is equal to gram centimeter per second square. So that was the CGS system. We continue the second system, that one is FPS system. Now the second system is FPS system. So dear students, F stands for foot and its abbreviation is FT and this one is a unit of length. P stands for pound and its abbreviation is LB and this one is the unit of force. In common practice, we also use the pound as a unit of the mass, but basically this one is the unit of the force. And S stands for second, its abbreviation is S, and it's the unit of time. Again, अगर आप इसमें देखें, length, force and the time are the fundamental quantities. एक quantity रह गई, mass. In this system, in FPS system, mass is a derived quantity. The distance, आपने देखा length, force and the time are the fundamental quantities in FPS system. So we are going to explain. Note करें इसको आप. FPS system was introduced in a British government. That's why it's also known as British engineering system. This is also known as British engineering system. In this system, length, force and time are taken fundamental quantities and their units are foot, pound and second, respectively. Mass is a derived quantity in this system, and its unit is slug. Dear students, as the mass is a derived quantity, its unit can be driven from the formula F is equal to ma. You know that. The unit of the force is pound. We have to calculate the unit of the mass, so unit of the acceleration. In this system, FPS system, length per time square, that means feet per second square. So you may write here pound second square per feet. That is collectively known as slug. Slug is the unit of the mass in FPS system. Generally हम यूज करते हैं 15 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 स्लग, लेकिन अगर आप एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो ये है 14.7 किलोग्राम, दैट्स इक्वल टू 1 slug. So after that system, the third one is MKS system. MKS system. The third system is MKS system. That's also known as metric system, and it was represented by a scientist, Georgi. That's why it's also known as Georgi system. Dear students, MKS system, M stands for meter, its abbreviation is M, and it's a unit of length. K stands for kilogram, and its abbreviation is kg. It's the unit of the mass. S stands for second. Its abbreviation is S, and it's the unit of time. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा एम के सिस्टम में ये तीन क्वांटिटी जो आपके सामने मैंने लिखी, लेंथ, मास एंड द टाइम, दीज आर फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज एंड देयर यूनिट्स आर मीटर, किलोग्राम एंड सेकेंड. Now again we have the one quantity, that one is a force. Force is a derived quantity in this system. So note this one. If we go through the explanation, then in this system, length, mass and time are taken fundamental quantities, and their units are meter, kilogram and seconds respectively. Force is a derived quantity in this system, and its unit is Newton. As you know that the force is a derived quantity, so we can derive the Newton from the formula F is equal to ma. You know that the unit of the mass in this system, MK system, is a kilogram, and the unit of the acceleration will be meter per second square. So this collectively known as Newton. So that one is the third system. After that, the system which is being used right now, that one is system of international units. So dear students, we are going to start the fourth one, SI system, or system of international units. System of international units. Dear students, थोड़ा सा इसका इंट्रोडक्शन, कि जब आपने देखा कि कम्युनिकेशन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में बढ़ गई, ट्रेड भी बढ़ गया और उसमें बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आने लगे एक्सचेंज के हवाले से, तो उस वक्त पूरी दुनिया ही सोचने पे मजबूर हो गई कि ऐसा कोई सिस्टम लाया जाए जो पूरी दुनिया में सेम तरह के मेजरमेंट के हवाले से हम यूज कर सकें. सो रिगार्डिंग दैट, in 1960, 11th General Conference of the International Committee on Weights and Measure recommended that all countries of the world should adopt a system of the same kind of standard units. This conference recommended the use of the system consisting of the 7 fundamental units, and that is known as System of International Units, and it is abbreviated as SI. Pakistan is also included in that. इस सिस्टम के लिए फ्रांस के शहर पेरिस के नजदीक एक विलेज है जिसका नाम सेवरिस है, वहां पे एक हेड ऑफिस बनाई गई जिसका नाम रखा गया इंटरनेशनल ब्यूरो ऑफ वेट्स एंड मेयर्स। वहां पे 7 फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया। तो इस सिस्टम में बेसिकली अगर देखा जाए तो ऐसा सिस्टम इज अ मॉडिफाइड सिस्टम ऑफ द एमकेएस सिस्टम। सो देयर वर द 7 फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज इन दिस सिस्टम। लेकिन मैं समझ रहा हूं पहले आप थोड़ा सा इसका इंट्रोडक्शन लिख लें। इन 1960 the 11th General Conference 11th General Conference of the International Committee International Committee on Weights and Measure recommended that all countries of the world should adopt a common system of measurements. Pakistan was also included they introduced a new system consists of 7 fundamental quantities the system is named as System of International Units abbreviated as SI. So dear students, right now we are using this system, SI system of the international units. In 1960, the 11th General Conference of the International Committee on the Weights and Measures recommended that all the countries of the world should adopt the single system, same kind of the system, and that consists of the 7 fundamental quantities, and that system was named as System of the International Units and it was abbreviated as SI. अब ये जो 7 fundamental quantities थी, थोड़ा सा इसको देख लेते हैं हम। सेवन फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज इस सिस्टम में fundamental quantities in SI. Number one, length. That was length. लेंथ का यूनिट क्या था? मीटर. और इसकी एब्रीविएशन क्या थी, सिंबल क्या थी? एम. तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं यहां पे, दैट वाज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, that one is unit, and that one is symbol. So the second quantity was mass, और इसका यूनिट था किलोग्राम, और इसकी एब्रीविएशन थी केजी. The third one is time, इसका यूनिट है सेकंड, इसकी एब्रीविएशन है एस. ये तीन क्वांटिटीज वही हैं जो एम के सिस्टम, इसीलिए इसको ऐसा सिस्टम को एम के सिस्टम का एडवांस सिस्टम भी कहा जाता है. द फोर्थ वन इज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, और इसका यूनिट है एम्पियर, और उसकी एब्रीविएशन है ए. इसी तरह से फिफ्थ जो आपके पास क्वांटिटी आ रही है वो है थर्मोडायनेमिक टेम्परेचर, थर्मोडायनेमिक टेम्परेचर, और इसका जो यूनिट है वो है केल्विन, एब्रीविएशन है के. सिक्स क्वांटिटी जो आपके पास है वो है अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस, अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस, और इसका यूनिट है मोल, और इसकी एब्रीविएशन है मोल. और द लास्ट क्वांटिटी दैट वन इज ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी, और इसका यूनिट है कैंडिला. ल्यूमिनस यूनिट, इसका यूनिट है कैंडिला, और इसकी साइन है सी डी. एब्रीविएशन इसकी क्या है, सिंबल क्या है? सी डी. सो दैट वाज योर एस आई सिस्टम. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इंशाल्लाह ये जो आपने 7 इसके फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स लिखे हैं, जिसमें मीटर, किलोग्राम, सेकंड, एम्पियर, केल्विन, मोल और कैंडिला, inshallah in the next lecture we will go through the definitions of all these fundamental units. Thank you very much.